Here, hold this. Hold, yep. Hold over the bowl. Don't miss. There's not much.
Hey.
Okay. Oh, we gotta get the rest of it. Gotta use every bit of it.
Okay. Think that's enough.
Think that's it?
Yep.
Okay. Now
Olivia.
what? Huh?
Olivia, you making mom a cake? Yeah.
Here, let's get this off the counter in there. Well, we don't want to lose any. Counter's clean.
Okay, is it time for the egg part?
Yeah, you can go ahead and pop the egg in there. Did it do it? Does she know how to do this?
Why don't you do it?
Me?
Yeah. You're supposed to crack on the bowl
Oh.
and crack.
I got it on the counter. There we go.
Well, that's okay.
It is.
Yeah, that's okay.
It is.
Yep.
Daddy's making a mess. I'll just blame it on Olivia.
Woo, look at the egg.
I'll just blame it on you.
Now can we stir?
Well, now we've got to add 2 tablespoons of water.
Okay, so
I'll hand them to you. You put them in there.
Okay.
Ready? Should we use filtered water?
Yep.
Or not. 'Cause that's not going to work. Alright, ready? Put it in. Next one. You got one more.
Okay.
Alright, now what does it say do?
You have to stir it.
Oh, it says electric mixer.